So let's go over this one more time. You have stumbled upon someone's channel, maybe mine, hopefully, and you see the channel name, Gail Green Williams, and you see the subscribe button. Please click on the subscribe button. People post videos because they want as many people as possible to see it. But what many people do not know is that YouTube pays for video views. So, all of us who are out here making YouTube videos, editing for hours, making all kind of footage while your family is rolling their eyes at you, we are doing it so that YouTube will pay us. Now, here is my page. I have 16 subscribers here. When you tap the subscribe button right there, you are now a subscriber, and my subscriber has grown. I need many subscribers, hundreds of thousands, because you must have seen other channels where they have millions of subscribers. So imagine me having 16 and 200 of you watching my video and not even bothering to subscribe. I will be stuck at 16. So let us hit the channel because I want to post more of this kind of content. Now, here it says view the channel. And again, there's a subscribe button begging you to subscribe. So hit the subscribe button. Then they have a bell right there. If you tap the notification bell, then they will notify you when I post something new. Hopefully my content is gripping and riveting, and so you will want to be notified when I post a new one. Here you see videos. Here's a video posted 11 days. It hasn't gotten any views because you have not watched it. So if you could watch this video right now and give it a comment, that would be great. These are snippets. I have a teaching video if you want a video where you can learn something. This is just me sharing my experiences. So don't expect it to be a whole lesson with a moral and anything. Maybe there'll be a moral, but this video is just to show the things that I'm doing, and I try to keep it very short, so a nice slice of Jamaican life. Now, you can watch videos, but I only have one. So tap on shorts. Now you can see all my shorts from all the places I've been. My birthday video has gotten 1.5k views. That is great. This one I posted on Saturday has 434. This one on Saturday, 425. The one I posted picking pine and soursop has almost 3,000 views, and that's what we're looking for. This one where I was climbing the tree to pick the, a mango, has 2.6k views, which we love. This one has 29 views because a lot of people haven't watched it. But when you watch the video, and this is the part I want to get to, don't send me a message on WhatsApp telling me you like the video or telling me the place is beautiful. Tell me here. Do you see this comment button right here? This bubble is called a speech bubble, and it's an icon that means comment. On any platform, anywhere you go, you will see a speech bubble. Do you see the finger pointing upward? That is the thumbs up button. If you like the video, tap the thumbs up button. If you don't like it, tap the thumbs up button. We're struggling out here making these videos, so give a little appreciation anyway. I'm asking you kindly. Do not give it a thumbs down button. I don't know if that button actually works because I haven't seen anybody give anybody else's video a thumbs down. It's just not polite. Leave it alone. If you don't like it, move on. But if you like it or barely like it, give it a thumbs up. So I'm giving it a thumbs up. There we go. Now give it a comment. Where is this place? Oh, I know this place. That place is beautiful. But people are messaging me to tell me how stunning the place is, but nobody has bothered to say it to YouTube. Comment on the video, and you can share it if you want to. That would be great because sharing pushes a video more than anything else. But at least leave a comment. I like this place. Nice video. Isn't those shorts too short for you at your age? Say anything. I won't block you. Anyway, so that's that. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a like. Let's see how the other video has done. I got 2 comments on this one. I'm going to give this thumbs up a thumbs up as well. And so that person has given me a comment. Great. Happy to see it. And I got 29 likes on that one. And I'm pretty sure none of the people who like it are my family, because family are not giving comments. If you're family and you're seeing this, please leave a comment, family. By now you should know how the process works. I should say thank you. I comment on my comments, and if I don't comment, please go ahead and hit me up and say, hey, you didn't give my comment or a like.
Gen Z is trading on their...
No. I'm going to give my own video a like since... Oh, somebody gave me a comment. This is what a piece looks like. Amen. You have no idea. And the music is just perfect. This is 50 years in the making. I'm creating the life I want. So why is the comment not there? Let's go again. Alive 50 years in the making. Okay.
Here's the highest.
No.
Anyways.
So this is my video. I got 9 comments. Let me see which one I did not receive. Nice setting. Very much so. Let me comment. Very much so. And you can also comment on other people's comments.
Yes.
Very much so. And then I'm gonna do the others later when I'm done. All right, so that is it. You like the video, you comment on the video, you use this to share the video to your WhatsApp status or your Facebook or anywhere you want to share. Just copy the link and send it, or hit the
Did you pick the last
platform
mango?
you want to share it on. So anyway, that's it. Do not let us have to have this conversation again. All right, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.
Okay, let's get. Okay, so